did the die-cal first, then I did the trace mineral. I'm gonna mix that up. Then I'm gonna put in the molasses, mix it all together, and then we should be good to go. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Please make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share this video, like this video, so we can continue to grow as a channel. All right, today what we're talking about is deer mineral. I'm making mine from scratch. We're gonna test it out, see how the deer like it. But before we get started, let me tell you what all is in it. It's 3 50-pound bags. It's basically dicalcium, what you need for the health of the deer. You got 50-pound bag of dried molasses, which is basically going to bring the deer to your mineral. And then you got trace mineral salt. That's it. These are the things that are in just about every deer mineral that you purchase. And I got all 3 of these bags for around 70 bucks. It's going to make 150 pounds of mineral. Spread it out. Should be cost effective, but in order for it to be successful, in my eyes, cost effective is good, but will it bring in the deer? Well, we're gonna mix it together and we're gonna try it out and we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. Got the dicalcium phosphate. That's gonna be the first thing we're gonna drop in. See, I got a nice big trash can to drop all my minerals in. Makes it easier to mix up. Once you open that bag, get it all out of there. Drop it all in that trash can. Next thing, it's gonna be these trace minerals. Get them trace minerals in there. Get it all good. And then now you want to take either a shovel or like your normal garden hoe and then just start mixing it up. Just work it over. Get a good mix going. Mixing it up real good. Next thing we're going to add is that dried molasses. Now that dried molasses is what's going to bring them to the party. But before we add the dried molasses, we're gonna mix it up again. Work that mix. Get it all in. Mix it up real good. Keep turning it over. And now you can add that dried molasses. That dried molasses, let me tell you, smells good. See why it would bring them to the party. Once again, once you got all 3 things in there, mix it up. Work it over real good. You want to just keep working it, because what you want to do is get those minerals turned over and get everything mixed really well. All right, so now we got everything mixed up. We got it in our jug. I put some in a little red bucket. We're gonna take it out there. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna see how the deer respond to it. Everything's done. Mixing's done. Hay's in the barn, so to speak. Now it's time to find out if this stuff is a draw or not. All right, after a first look, man, these deer are taking to it. Look at them. They're in by the feeder where I spread the mineral. Trying to make this a mega food destination for these deer. Go to another site, same result. Deer in there on the mineral. We'll keep this going through the summer. Continue to see how they take to it. But so far, so good.